Hey y'all, so it's the morning time now. It is 6:42 in the morning. And I did do my edges because they probably just gonna mess up in the car anyways if I'm asleep. So I could get to it. But I'm finna pack my charger and stuff up, so I'm finna put my other phone in my fanny pack and stuff. Because I'm using this phone to take like all my pictures and stuff. So let me put that up in there. I'm still wearing them, but not right now. Maybe with my hair down. So put this phone up in there, wrap this charger up. So y'all, this is the fit for today. Let me go to my other camera, my other mirror. I don't know if y'all can really see, but it's just a set from Old Navy. I'm gonna put my black fanny pack on. I'm gonna have my black sandals on. The short shirt, I cropped the shirt because it's actually long, but I cropped it. And then yeah, black sandals, black fanny pack. And my nails kind of match. Don't mind this nail right now because I gotta redo it. I had did my nails last night and stuff. Match the spring color. So I'm gonna come back to y'all when I put the bags in the car. So now we finna finally put the suitcases in the car after 35 hours and 69 years. Then we not finna make 35 trips. We not. I'm telling you, we not. We're going up and we're going down. I mean, we're going down and we're coming up. Actually, we're only making 2 trips. Okay, let me carry my suitcase. Let me carry it.
I actually got it.
Oh. But I'm gonna keep, okay. You on camera. Look at him, guys. Taking our stuff down. Wait, Zayden. We don't even got the keys. It's 5:11. Hey, Chola. Is that you blushing? Oh.
What you was finna do?
It's cold out here, y'all. It's cold out here. Hopefully I don't be sick. We got shoes, suitcase, bag. I'm just a girl, y'all. Of course I gotta be the one to get the suitcase. Y'all, my pinky ring came off. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna literally freaking cry. Y'all, I'm gonna get back to y'all when we on the road. Yeah. It's my thing. So y'all, we at the gas station now. We's a quick trip. We finna fill the car up, pump the gas and stuff. And then we head on the road. It is 8:39. But where's my other phone? Oh, right here. Let me show y'all on both phones. It's 8:39. We probably gonna make it to Texas at like...
You say please see cashier.
Oh, I gotta unlock it, baby.
I'm gonna come to y'all when we probably on the road. I don't know. It's 12:33 now. But now we finna go to, I think, the mall. So I'm gonna come to y'all when we in the mall. So y'all, we made it to the mall. We finna go in here. We finna try some food. We finna walk around. And then we're gonna activate. Is my line straight? It's hot out here, y'all. We here though. Left my mommy at the car. You can give me my wallet. Alright, let's go. My hair needs to stay.
Oh, we got some socks on with that.
We finna go inside the mall. And whatever store we go in, I'll record up in there. So y'all, we in A-Lo. And these sets are cute. Y'all, we in Nike. But we going upstairs to the we going upstairs to the this is so cute. To the men's section. Mom, you wanna hold my camera? Can y'all even see us? Okay, I'm gonna put y'all back on if I see something I like. Nike. And these pants for men is actually so cute. And it goes with this right here. You can try this on? It's 2 o'clock, y'all. So we finna go eat now because we still have to get the plane note to go to Activate. We're gonna get our food now, and I think I'm finna get Shake Shack. It's probably loud. Y'all probably can't even hear me. I've never had Shake Shack before, so I'm gonna try it though. I think I'm gonna get a chicken sandwich though. I'm gonna come to y'all when I got my food. I don't know what I'm getting, but we finna see. This one right here. $4. Should I get this or should I get this? Yeah. Okay. But I got a mango. I think it's called lemonade. Mango lemonade. And he got a strawberry lemonade. Like mango. Oh wait, it come in a box. I guess I'm just special. Okay. So yeah, this is the food. And I got a chicken sandwich. Okay. I'm gonna taste the fries first. God is great, God is good. Let's drink the fries food. By his name, God can thank you, God is great. Amen. It's definitely good. I'm gonna come to y'all when I'm done eating. My food was a 6.5. 6.5, but my mama trying kava, and I want to try it. I'm scared though.
It's not. You can either get the blueberry, lavender, or the regular lemonade. Yeah, just go to the register and just say, can I get a different drink instead?
Blueberry, lavender.
Lemonade or the blueberry lavender. You choose when you get up there.
We gon' see y'all when we finna go to Activate and stuff. Wanna be my video?
Okay.
Say hey, Mom. Okay, how did you rate your food?
It wasn't all that. I'd probably give it a 5. I'll try it again, try something different.
Nah, I'm gonna give your food a 3. How do you rate my drink? I'm gonna make a TikTok, y'all, and then we finna go to Skims. I flipped the camera.
Blueberry lavender.
I'm gonna make another tickety tuck.
Thank you, baby.
You shouldn't be excited.
All right, we got about a little over 15 minutes.
Okay, well, we finna put my skim. I just studied, so let's put my skim first. He actually did good. You carry my drink, though? I'll do it. No, I got it. No, I don't care. I got it. No, leave me alone. Because don't nobody care. Strike one, I'm telling you. No, I don't care. Like I said, I'm going to come to y'all if we find skims. Don't touch me. So, y'all, we leaving out. And I had smelled this Marc Jacobs. And it smelled kind of good. It smelled kind of good. We finna have so fun and activate. We finna see how my mama do.
Jump everywhere.
No.
You're not jumping everywhere?
No.
Why?
Because why would you jump? We're not jumping until tomorrow. I'm going to come to y'all when we
gotta hurry up because it's gonna take us 24 minutes if we're gonna get there at 3:37.
Okay. So I'm gonna come to y'all when we activate. Made it to activate. Wait, am I leaving anything? We finna go inside once my mama come on. I'm gonna get to y'all when we check in.
Okay, thank you.
Put it through. Put it through.
That's for the lobby.
And then we gotta scan our stuff. Okay, I'm gonna come to y'all when we in there. Okay, y'all, we in here. Okay, so basically, let's go in arena. I don't know. I don't know. What even is this? Don't nobody care anyway. Let's go.
Out of time. Replay option is available. Press
Yo, look at our score.
to play this area.
I don't know.
Game. All of the targets that match the broken top target.
What are we doing? I don't know. Let's go, y'all. Come on. What are we? Okay, press.
Which one?
Let's do.
It don't matter which one.
Let's do Zap. All right, go. Which one do we go into? I forgot. Oh, it is somebody in there.
Oh.
Yeah, we finna do the we finna do this one.
You gonna pick which one? What's the danger zone?
Step on all blue tiles to avoid this one. Hold on. Cross the room while stepping. I think we gonna do this one. Wait, let me see. Danger zone. Hold on. Let's do flash mines. We gotta cross the room while stepping on blue, so we gonna do this one.
So we gonna step on blue?
Do yours, Aiden. Okay, so it's stay. Memorize the location of all colored tiles. Cross the room while stepping on all blue
Okay, we
tiles.
have to remember which color was what.
Okay, go. Wait, I'm red. Remember you green. Wait. to redo. How many you got?
I got 10.
Oh wait, Zayden ranking is 2274. What's mine?
That's the same thing.
It's the same thing.
Oh wait, hold on. Wait, do it again. Man, I'm so tired. We just got done doing grid. Now we finna do this.
Let that happen, mama.
We finna do this one now.
Too good.
Yo, I'm so tired.
I'm tired.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to set my camera down. Hopefully my camera don't make us like lose. Cause it's gonna be touching the ground. Yeah, I'm so tired.
Not tired. When we gotta get to it, mama.
Yeah.
Shit, I wasn't to it. What you mean?
Mama, I'm finna have 4 points.
I was giving it my all.
I'm finna have 4. Watch.
You did that.
2, 1, go.
Mama, get up, mama.
Take the red.
We helped her, y'all, cause I only got 1,005.
I got 1508.
I done hurt so many nails. We finna do hoops. My mama wanted to cheat last round, and we helped her out, and she won, and she was not supposed to win, and I didn't hurt all these nails.
I didn't know what to do. I was like, what am I doing?
So who gonna buy my snack?
I got it.
Okay, thought so.
Look at this big old baby.
Okay, y'all, come on.
Go.
Red. Blue won again, y'all.
Game starts in 3, 2, 1. Memorize the pairs of colors. Once you have enough memorized, push a button to proceed. Now find the other half of this pair.
I'm not gonna be with y'all for later because we're gonna be everywhere, so bye. God, I'm so hot. But oh, it's hot out here too. We leaving now. We finna go visit family. It's so hot. Mama needs to turn the air on now, not later. Now, not later. Mama needs to turn the air on. It was fun, but I'm tired. Edge is lifting up and everything. I'm gonna come to y'all when I'm either at Bucky's or when in my TTLs. We finna go to Bubba. We finna go to Bubba Bucky's. Hey y'all. I arrived at my destination. Where's my tripod? I think so. Hold on one sec. I arrived to my destination. My destination. My destination. My destination. My discrimination. Okay, where's my Kurt Gurgler? Cause my charger up in there. Actually, I need my charger. Actually, I'll just use brush. Yeah, I'm gonna just use brush on the charger. Where my phone goes up in here? What you waiting on?
I don't know. Some damn string.
Sit please. Please. You don't have to wait.
Mama. You gotta set the camera up so you run that fade with it.
Oh, yeah.
Keys. You got my keys.
I hope these dogs up.
You got my keys still?
Why would Kay have them? Mama, I only got your wallet.
Hey, do you see the keys in my hand? Oh, the keys in my hand. Hell, so what are you talking about?
So run it. So run it. So come run it then. Okay then. Now I gotta go run it. Wait. Hold on. I'm gonna come back to y'all.
Just like that. Yeah, we gonna rate it again when we get upstairs.
Oh, wait. It's a camera. Can I see?
We got to flip it to you. There it is.
Awesome. I'm testing it out.
Why you didn't text me back though?
You
Why you didn't text me back? Yes, I did. My head hurts so bad.
Bro.
Where's your brothers? Where Drake? Hey, ugly.
Ugly.
I said, hey, ugly.
What's up?
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna come to y'all when we doing something. So last time y'all seen me, y'all was seeing that I made it here, and I told y'all I'm coming back to y'all. We finna do something, and my TT said we finna go to the lake. So I think we finna go to the lake, and then we depends on if my head's still hurt. We might go downtown tonight, might not.
Can it tilt?
Up. Uh-oh. First, trying to switch the thing.
You saved it for me? Thank you.
Bye. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's a few hours later. I'm finna probably start editing, but it's 10:50, and I'm finna go to sleep. I'm gonna see y'all in the morning because we're going to Kiki's breakfast in the morning. We're going to eat breakfast in the morning, and then we're going on a helicopter and stuff tomorrow. We're going to Sky Zone tomorrow and stuff. So yeah, so I'm done with my edges and stuff, and they did not turn out right. Like, my edges never turning out right, y'all. Like, no edge control lays my hair down the way it needs to lay down. When I be looking at reviews on TikTok, people be like, take their edges out. I want my edges, okay? Okay, I don't like how my hair looks. I don't like how I look today. It's okay. Love you, Mom. Thank you. Yeah. Tried to dress it up a little bit. I need a necklace. I got my rings on. Wait, it's turned sideways. And I just got one on this hand. Don't mind my nail. My edges is still not right. The hotness. So I'm gonna come to y'all when. Actually, I'm gonna go outside and make some TikToks. That's when I'm gonna come to y'all. Okay. I'm gonna stay with Papa right now. Here, this actually a lotion. It's in my suitcase. You have a trash right in here. And make some TikToks. I need some sun. I'm starting to feel sick. I don't like it. I'm actually starting to feel sick. Now the sickness leads me feeling really dizzy and my stomach.
Let's go.
We made it to Kiki's Breakfast Cafe. This is the menu.
Which I want to drink. Yeah, no.
I really might say some water.
Sweet tea. Good morning. Good morning. How large or small? Small. You would come with combo. Then you know.
I'm gonna come to y'all when we order our food.
Like
It's
a protein.
Pick these two. Take two of these.
So we'll do. Are we able to get bacon and sausage?
It's just a charge. If you do like a double protein.
Okay, we'll do that.
Okay. So
Yeah, the delicious looking food is here. And it looks so good. But I'm gonna take a picture before I eat. I got waffles.
Thank you.
no problem. Anything else I can get for you?
I don't think so. Not at the moment.
All right, y'all enjoy.
Okay, should I put syrup on it? Okay, hold on. Better be, or you gotta come up with that money. Ain't that right, Mama? No. No, but I want to say Mama, I don't know how to cut with a knife cute and it breaks. Eating now, we finna head out. Food was a 10 out of 11 out of 10. 11 BMS, okay? It was a BMS. Mama, your outfit cute. Y'all look at my mama outfit. Check her out, check her out. Mama, turn around. Okay, walk. I'm gonna come back to y'all when I just closed this charger in the buckle. We're gonna go to Sky Zone. We finna go to Buc-ee's. I don't got nowhere to put this. We finna go to Sky Zone and stuff. I didn't charge my phone before we go because I don't want my phone to be there. And I'm gonna be doing a lot of TikToks there, and I want to try to do a backflip. So, the food was amazing. Actually, I think I want some sausage. Where's my food? What's funny? I hope I'm not getting sick. By the time I come, Brashon gonna be mad if I went to Sky Zone without him. It's okay. Maybe he can go to the club. I want to go to the Glow Park, Mama. Can we go to the Glow Park tonight? What are you doing? Really?
I'm sorry.
Everything got silent after that.
I know. I'm sorry because I'm not. I didn't do
Like,
it.
we need to go in there. I ain't even got my other phone. My camera's so dirty, y'all.
What's the phone number on the waiver?
Hit my number. 501. Okay, thank you.
This is yours, just so you're able.
Okay.
Are you? So cocaine there.
I might take it off.
Look at my toes. I want to take a picture of them. No, nobody could. Mama. Camera. Zayden. We need them, to find them, wait, I'ma come to y'all, in a minute. Hold on.
They don't want to play some more.
Go play.
I really don't know the last time I seen. Wait, where's my shoes? I don't know the last time I seen y'all. But what I do know is it's time to go get on a helicopter. So cute. So cute.
Hold on, let me get the sun. Hold on. Is my hair
Okay.
flying
Come to y'all when we at the place at the helicopter. We made it to the helicopter place. Mama looks so cute.
Thank you, baby girl.
Zayden pants to his knees, but we're going to leading. Wait, what is it called?
Leading edge.
Leading edge. yeah.
Lending edge.
Oh, lending. I'm gonna come to y'all when we checking in and stuff. Okay. Yeah, it's already some helicopters outside, but I think we can on the yellow one. I don't even know where it's at. I feel like I see it, but I don't. And it's not even dark outside. Wait, where are we? Come to y'all when I'm on the airplane.
Okay, so I'm gonna go over a few safety rules with you guys before we get out there. Okay. I'm gonna load you guys in the golf cart, and then I'm gonna have you stay seated while I unload the other the other passengers, and then I'll grab you. Okay.
Okay.
3 rules. 1.
Ready? Okay, I'm gonna come to y'all when we get in there. Are we over here? I think like 2 or 3. Than that. Yeah, that was fun. Y'all pretty sure y'all couldn't hear anything on there.
That was fun.
My ears was popping.
Yeah, like always. Like the airplane does, they make my ear hurt.
My ear is popping.
Let's see how he turned out.
He's getting blown off a crane right now.
Oh, these are so cute. He's cute.
Yeah, let's do it. I can't say no.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I New York the shell.
Don't mind the shower in the background. Hey y'all, and don't mind my edges. I'm finna do them. But good morning. It's the next day. It's 8:56 in the morning. I think I'm sick because my throat hurt. I've been coughing. My nose stuck up and all that. But this is today's fit. We got on this green jacket. We got on this black one piece. And then I might put on my green fit. But I'm gonna go outside and put some on. I don't leave until tomorrow, so just let me feel better until tomorrow. It's just bags out here flying.
I went Cuban links, they went broke chain. See on the nose swim, this is channel 22. Pussy nigga, what you wanna do? Riding with a fire, so it's on a two. He a head, that's a head hunter too. Look, he know what he come to do. Riding around with some big bees, but my name ain't Brunner too. But my name ain't Brunner B. I'm who bitches wanna be. I should name these bitches KJ, cause these hoes sons of me. Licky dick wanna give me kinda lean. Got my stripes like a bumblebee. Bouncing on the shit right the left. Bitch, I'm hitting my shoulder lean. Pussy, damn, I'm putting you on. Big wheel, I'm song for song. This ass so fat. I'm going thong for thong. I'm a dog, he is too. We going bone for bone. He beat my shit from the back. He love when I scream. I'm going cold. Bitch, damn, putting you down. Putting you on. 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 Backing their ass like strippers. Yeah, I'm backing that A like flipper. This ice on me, I'm chilly. 3 times I went triple dipper. Bitch, it's going down like a zipper.
Let me do my edges first. And then I'm gonna look for because I need style. Done. Done my edges. So cute. Right to these they always coming out so ugly. I don't really care.
be safe now. Gotta make it
guys. Good morning, boogies. That sounds so stupid. I'm about to. I think we finna go to Target and see if they Target got something better than what we got. Why did my mama just lock the doors? And I'm not. She just locked. Y'all, I feel so sick. I did not charge my phone last night. So, my phone is currently on. Let's see. Let's see if I can find this phone. Y'all, it's kind of cold out here. The same thing that the driver's seat got when you just press the button and the seat go a certain way. Okay. Oh, I'm trying to get in the car. The seat ain't even fixed. I'm just gonna get in. We're still waiting for my mommy. Is my camera dirty? Why do it? Anyways, y'all, this vlog is finna end soon. Today or tomorrow, I don't know. Today might be the last day or tomorrow might be the last day of this vlog. I don't really know because I leave to go back home tomorrow. So maybe tomorrow morning would be the last vlog because that's when I leave and stuff. I don't even know what I'm gonna title this video yet. I wish I had someone to set my camera up at. One second, y'all. She couldn't get in the car, so I had to back the car up for her so she can get in. I'm gonna come to y'all when we get to wherever we're going, because I don't know where we're going. We're going to Target first? I'm gonna get y'all, we're going to Target. We made it to Target, y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna record in there. I don't know if I'm gonna record in there because I still don't feel good and I don't feel like having my camera out. But just in case I see something, I guess I will. And y'all, they got a super Target. Look. I gotta take a picture of this. Where my other phone is? Can't lose it this time. Okay. Take another sip of my Gatorade. Let's ride, y'all.
Oh, this one. That way, phone right there.
Mama, I put it right there. One second, guys. I have to fix myself up. It's kind of cold out here. With the the clothes.
I don't know which one. Look, I'm acting like I know which one, which way.
When we going to go grill? Cause I do like I walk out of taste for some hot dogs now. But
I'll
mama,
probably tell TT
can you
get up and
ask
go
Titi
around.
to make, buy some baked beans and macaroni?
Yeah.
So you can make that?
Yeah.
Why they got their stuff on different sides? Like, that's supposed to be on that side. Hold on, y'all. They got the swimsuits out already. And they have some really cute collections and colors. Like, ooh, this orange is fire. That orange fire. And this color cute too. Yeah, that's cute. So y'all, we grilling today. We making burgers. No. We're making yeah, okay, hot dogs, burgers, baked beans, mac and cheese. Mirror. Let's take a picture in the mirror. Let's take a picture in the mirror. Yep, so cute. Yeah, this bag is actually kind of cute. That's actually cute. I'm gonna leave Target, but we at Starbucks now, and I'm gonna get me a cake pop. And my mom is gonna get some coffee.
Can I get a grande white chocolate mocha frap, caramel drizzle, and birthday cake pop?
I love their birthday cake pops. Thank you.
It wasn't good.
I said it was.
Oh. I thought you covered it up.
Yeah, I'm kind of hungry. I'm gonna come to y'all back somewhere.
No, this ain't shit. We 39 minutes away.
I said it was close.
I guess it was just close to it.
You said what? Walk in, I already see some cute stuff.
Oh no, seriously. I even like this couch right here.
That like you go like in a movie though.
This right here?
Oh, I thought you were talking about that. It is actually cute.
Mm-hmm. I wouldn't mind having a little 2-piece or a 3-piece set. It's 17.
Yeah, it is actually cute.
Beds.
I'm gonna come to y'all if I see some. Oh, what? Oh, that's cute. We should get something like that.
What I'm about to do right now is show you the different benefits of using this something relaxing meditation.
Go to sleep right now.
You want me to you? I just know you got love. So a lifestyle base is Tempur-Pedic. They don't. We have the tough noodles over there. So lay on them and then when I get back, let me know which one's right fit. Okay.
Wait, let me see what soft feel like.
Get up there and lay on the pillow.
Okay. Yeah, but I think I like medium better. It is fun. Look how tall and big it is. Full body. Like, y'all, look. Like, come on now. Not for my room, because I don't like gold, but your living room, mama?
This is perfect.
Oh, let's go.